We in there. Shabba. Him there. But tell him mommy. Name Shabba. Tell him mommy. Alright. Shabba. Him there. Anything them bring Shabba Bronx ready for. They say, hey. Drop a bomb #1. Alright, you see me moving the beat, see me flying rig. Girls every day. From like, y'all you good. Hold on a little bit now, man. Hold on. Say my name, brand new. Say my name a little louder. Hello, my name, me can rip up the crowd, yeah. Say my name if I make uno prouder. Say it 3 times, Shabba. Hey. Say my name a little louder. Hello, my name, jump to my name, ball out my name, call out my name. Now stop until it reach all and fame. Them say them bad, but them and Shabba know the same. Listen. Maybe the pill for them pain, the blood for them vein. I don't want to hear how much lyrics your brain contain. If you mess around and leave your mentally drained, can't treat a broken heart like sprain. I mean them in need, real crowd placer, to non-believer, he ain't a believer. Me no rocking but follow the leader. Lead out, Shabba. Yeah, I'm just tell if I sweat to my waistline, I want to know, say, a big sit now go on, December 14. Robert treat, yes, come for your treat. Yes, girls, come to get your back rubbed and the scratching of your feet at Robert treat. Yes, we will be there. Barrington Levy, Shabba Ranks. You don't know it got be Levy. Big brother and thing. We in there. Boom. December 14. Make that a date. Don't be late. Straight.
Well, everybody, let me start it and telling you like this. You see, Kid Bankyard representing Roadblock Radio, G-City Entertainment to the fullest. Yeah. And everybody, we told you we was bringing you history once again. And this is history in the making. Everybody, you know, see the history where the man created Jamaica, what here. You know, see the history I go on in a Robert Street Hotel. It's all about Saturday, December the 14th.
December 14th, see it, yeah.
Good gosh, you know how much years we are trying to make this happen and it finally happened.
But I don't know, say, I saw it go still in it. You sometimes you go sub up and want to find a good diamond, them you can't find them on the top of the surface. You have to dig deep. You see me I deal it, so what? Dig deep and bring raw diamond come to the people. Them you see?
Stop right there. So Shabba, listen to me. Me have to intro you properly. Everybody, let me tell you something right now. This is the man. When you say dancehall, you have to say this man's name. You understand? You have to. This man is dancehall. Banky Hyper said that. Everybody introducing to Roadblock Radio. You understand?
Yeah.
Big dirty stinking Shabba. But me have to say the Emperor cause me feel like me rude if me not say Emperor.
You take Kings of Kings to be me, man. You see me and deal it fly out or flee. And this is it, Shabba Ranks. Stench, you catch it saying? All right then, man.
Well, Shabba, let me tell you something. Like me tell you earlier.
Yeah, Big Barrington Levy.
Good gosh. Good gosh.
A good vibes. You see me and David? A good vibes. If you don't pay on the money, I don't want to pay on the money to get good things. All right then, say good something, yeah. Boy, G-City. Roadblock. Say good city, yeah. Yeah. Robert Street. December 14. And we there, you know, you hear me waistline and flash like a lasso, you know. Juice on my back like S, you know. You see me a day, want the girl if you know, say, boy, if you want to come eat up like grotto, then come eat up like grotto, you know. You see me a day, let moolah. Yeah, man. Shabba! Him there. Yeah, man, I'm dead, man. For me ears, man. For me ears are glide, man. You see? Yeah, man. Niceness.
Shabba, we say sounds are greatness. We are talking about Stone Love Sound, Massive B, Banky Hype. Then we say Barrington Levy upon one stage. Shabba. This is going to be real history in the making. What Jersey people them can expect from Shabba December 14th inside a Robert Street Hotel?
It's after it's. When I don't know my track record stay already. Not if you see it bold just to get track record right now. And I don't know my own setup. You see me and David. It's after it's. I don't know. See I said so. My brother Barrington Levy carried. It's after it's. So everybody just put on your dancing shoes and come enjoy. Full joy yourself. And all of the girls, just put on your waistline, grease it, Vaseline it, and come. Do your thing. You see me I do because we're dead if it just flash it. As a matter of fact, I'm dead if it sweat. I sweat. You're saying, work can't help me. I sweat. It's like me on a construction site. Watch it.
Well, Shabba, most definitely, you understand, talking to G-City and the whole team, we say, well, you know what? We have to make sure we roll out the red carpet for the Emperor that night there. So more I know what time you are going to reach in at the building. So, because you know the people them have a local thing sometime where them take them time for go buy tickets. More you tell them people here right now what time them for reach inside a Robert Street Hotel.
Early out. Me know we love we look late something and we love come late. But remember say, cross this so lock down pretty well soon. You hear me say? So you know come out early, cause me doing a billing from early. Me now ramp round with the thing. When it come to JCT thing and roadblock sitting, we now play with the sitting. So you know come out early for the sitting. An hour something, just come for it. You see me a day with fun, niceness, joy. Yes, sir. Yes, ma.
Well, Shabba, you know, I'm not going to turn it too much into an interview, but me have to ask you. Over these years, you understand, we see enough artists reaching at the thing. You understand me? I say, and we wouldn't say the music is able to recycle, but Shabba, for no say you go up on a stage and people are singing your song them word for word for word for word. Is that something that keeps you going, that keeps the energy going?
Most definitely, you know, because it's like me then in my house and me I cook the food and me issue out the plate of food to the people them and them in return and make me know say boy, you see the recipe where you put in other food yeah. Me I go sing it because it sweet me to the soul and it sweet me to the heart and it sweet me to the mind. So me just sing it to you right back. So you know, I feel good. It always feel good when you can go sub up and create a creation and people adore it and love it, star. I tell you, say, oh, over the years, the people them just, me love how they interested in a Shabba. You see me a David, and I will never do nothing for letting it down. I'll always keep it up. Because sometimes when I say star, I up and off and look, you know. You see me a David, I'm always the up there. So some time for me a star, me a galaxy that contains stars. So at all times and every time, I will do my best with my music. I just love how I appreciate love what Shabba do. You saying? And what? The best is yet to come in because if you check out my beard in a grey year in the United States, you know, if you go up and check out my stomach, you know, my six pack still intact, you know. You see me a daily and sweat I go run off from my back. As a matter of fact, I come for sweat to me underpants to the girl them star. Girls, scream on the see me, that's all I can tell you. Scream on the see me because what? Me intone like on the belly button, me intone like on the titty nipple. So me intone, you see me? Yeah.
Well, Shabba, when we go live on Roadblock Radio, right? And a lady called one day, and this was a big woman, I can tell. She said the only artist who deliver slackness, we in the really come out too slack, but it's slack and we can appreciate it is Shabba Ranks, right?
Boy, I remember, I'm not cut here, but I remember in the days when the man me just say, boy, Shabba sing too slack, but what? We don't complain about my own, but now I get some slackness way. Wait for Shabba one, so what I gonna do? Take Shabba one and love it.
Well, let me get Shabba. May I bring it to a Roadblock Radio meeting, right, my brother? Yeah. We have a Roadblock Radio meeting, and we are talking about some song where we really don't want to play up on the radio. And one day, so we have a conversation. The man them say, "Put on the other bad word and read this and read that." And I say, "Yeah, it have to go up on the list." But you say, as I go tell them, the man them reach out and say, "So what you say? We can't play Love Put on the bad on the radio." And it's like every man just veto and say, "Yo, no, that vote they can't go through."
Well, that's like going on. You know what I mean? Sure, some of them you play them and some of them you play them in your house. Some of them can go earwave for radio and some of them you just in your house and just play them. But whatever you do, just keep on playing reggae music and keep on playing dancehall music. Because you see when you support it, I want to go so bad and put a love to it. Yeah. When you give your energy for work harder and put some more emphasis in what we are doing. You see me I do? So when you just come out and just know say, boy, yo, when you love in our house, and just come out, come support it, star. It's an energy where it's a godly given energy, and the item is a part of the item contribute them listening attention towards what I and I do. So I just say, oh, love and respect for who we are supported. You see, because without who support, we don't have nothing, star. Straight up, yeah.
Well, last but not least, let me ask you this. First, we see Cartel go ting-a-ling-a-ling and boom-boom do that sound. Then now we see Busy Signal come with the bedroom bully and everything like that, right? How do you feel when you hear things like this? Like artists going back and digging up some of your old lyrics them and decide, say them want to try put it off. You know, catch a vibes or catch a hype, as we shall say.
No, catch them and catch a hype, me things still. Them just are related to for them generation. Them they even know what them are doing and them gossip up and mess around it. You see me, David? It's like most of the time when a man goes up Bram and do over another man's song, you know. You won't do over a man's song when a man dead, you know. You see me, David? So you see when it comes to Shabba, it's a thing where people just constantly have a love for Shabba Kawa. Me is a man where would him say reincarnate or would just say me always come forward because my beating at the art, you know. So you see the younger youth them go so Bram and pick it up. When Cartel goes up and say ting-a-ling-a-ling, you know, me doing in my house and me hear it and me just laugh because me I say, John, no. It's like Shabba will never go away. Yeah. I am just like the breath of fresh air. Without the breath of fresh air, then the lungs collapse. You see me I deal with rotation of the blood in the heart won't be proper. So you see me I deal with me is a breath of fresh air. So if other generation here I'm a breath of fresh air. Or the generation after, I'm a breath of fresh air. The generation, my generation, I'm a breath of fresh air. I will always be here. So when Busy Signal goes so bop and do it, him do it to make the people them know, say, Shabba always there, you know, Shabba turn up, you know. Because when you go so boop and you look on Bounty Killer, you know, you hear Bounty Killer, Shabba your ear, you know. When you go so boom and you hear Terror Fabulous, you know, Shabba your ear, you know. When you hear Buju Banton, you know, Shabba your ear, you know. So Shaggy there, you know, ask him, you know, Shabba your ear, you know. You see me, I did say, you see the hard work what I and I put in, and for the youth, them, sure I say, we love what you do, Shabba, and we will repeat what you say, Shabba. You know, if dead, we will repeat what you say. Yo, I'm just pray to God and thank God for it, yeah, man. Because when a man goes and do over a man song, a dead man song, them normally do over brethren. You see, I'm alive and well. Thank you for the support and thank you for doing it. It make me feel good, brethren. It make me feel good.
Well, Shabba, we must say it's a great achievement over the years. And your work, you understand, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be playing dancehall music today. I mean, I said this. And I'm not saying this because I'm here right now. I was born and raised in America. You understand? All I know, but me I tell you this, right? Being born, just like my partner, Craig Soprano, born and raised, we had to study the music. And in order to understand dancehall music, we had to go back and listen to, you understand, the man who kind of set it worldwide.
Yeah, you have to dig deep, man. Then I saw it go with Black American, man. Black American don't just listen to the music on the top and everybody dig deep into the crate in order to create a hit for the next year, you know. So the item, in order for you to learn and pass your test, you have to study. So dig in at the library. Go to the library and dig in at the library. So you dig, American dig in at the crate when it comes to I&I as dancehall artists and reggae artists. You have to dig deep in at the library. So watch that. Go check out, go see if you can find some Daddy Uri. See if you can find some King State. See if you can find some Jazzbo. Then you go sub up and find some Yellow Man. Then you go sub up and find some Lone Ranger, and you find some Super Cat, and you find some Early B. Then you go sub up and find Admiral Bailey them. Then you just go sub up and come right up the line till you go sub up and reach a Shabba. And after you go sub up and pass Shabba, then you know, so you go to the Bounty Killer, and you go to the Beanie Man them, and you go to the younger youth and we are come right now. Because it's a pipeline, you know, it's a pipeline of progress, and you can't just study the top height in order to get the real education. You have to dig deep. So go sub up and dig deep. When you dig deep, where you go? At the root you go, you know. And once you go sub up and guard the root, you know, then you will come up with the branch and the leaf and the stem and the stalk and the bark, and everything will be strong. So dig deep, brethren.
Well, let me tell you the greatest, let me tell you the different thing about this route. You always go right to Shabba. You understand? No matter where you go past all the branches, you still are going to pass. It's like you pass Shabba again, because when you go Pepper Rhythm right here, and me go here say it was a challenge, a man look on you and say, Shabba, record that song, put out that song, and make us see where it go. And you go Pepper Rhythm and you go say, none of them, no matter of fact, you said.
None of them no bad like Shabba wrong kid. No.
None of them.
Yeah, man, I saw it, man. You say, it's like, I'm on study as well. You see me, I deal with, you see like, oh, you say you go sub up and study. Me's a student, where it is concerned. So me always a study. And from I man go sub up and make ting-a-ling-a-ling. I'll know if you go sub up and check dancehall, you know. I'll know original dancehall beat. No pass ting-a-ling-a-ling, you know. Everything have a little beanie. Every rhythm we create right now. Yeah. We have a bounce with a giggy or you see me I deal with it have a ting-a-ling-a-ling feel. So when we go sub up and hear the pepper beat, you know, I might be a ting-a-ling-a-ling them appear in front of me. I know me not hear them. The only type of beat them when I not really hear them I play like a my beat them. And the one them sound like them a Calypso Road boy. Yeah. You see me, the one we got to extra fast.
130.
And if them decide for say boy, give Shabba it, make I man penetrate it. Then yo, hold on upon it like penitentiary bars, man. Solid. You see me, so no matter what, no matter what you do and no matter how you check it. Me are the epicenter of dancehall. Everything resolve around Shabba. You see me, because many come before me and them do them work, but them never get to bring it over. Yeah. You see me, and many come after me and try, and them still not bring it over. But me and the mig light, when you go and go make the circumference, you have to go and stick the compass in a Shabba in order to make the circumference. You see me, I deal with? True. So me are the epicenter height. And me are the center height. Everything resolve around Shabba. Whether you want to love it or you want to like it, yes or no. Me are the center height. That's why Jah bless me in a way where generation upon generation upon generation. I man still there stand up road boy because what the youth them love it. And I'm elders them before me love it, Bridget. You see it?
Quite so. And most definitely because when we take it back now and we go back into the days, however, you were the first artist who really carried dancehall to an international level. The international level where the hip-hop artists them start reach out and say, yo, we want to link with Shabba, we want to link with Shabba. And now you have young artists like the ASAP boys, and them I reach out,
Inspiration.
them drop the song what there, and now I'm hearing about the remix.
And the refix. Well, you see, Yellow Man them try. You see me I deal because it's a relay, and Yellow Man them they run it. You see me I deal and Stitch them they run it, and Papa San them they run it, Shine them run it, where them, if them never go sub up and kind of fuse the dancehall and hip-hop, then probably all youth like me wouldn't have the energy to try, pick it up and run it to the next leg. You see me I deal, many people go sub up and say, yeah, Shabba. But you have some man who they are run it in order for me to go sub up and get it, you know. So when me go sub up and pick it up with a portion of energy where first leg, second leg, third leg, and them go sub up and give it to me, and I go sub up and run fourth leg. You know? So back me run fourth leg, them youth are after me now, Olympics, them a run for go set. You see me a day, say, them a set medal and records. You see me a day with, so it's a good vibe star, it's a very good vibes where music alone shall live on. Man before me inspire and motivate me. And if me did I go do this music or pick up this music for do it and me never inspire and motivate you, them won't stand a chance to do this music. Because what? I ain't come out in a music as an empty barrel for just make a bag of noise. I ain't come for inspire, motivate, reform, reshape, you know what I mean, elevate, carry to heights and heights and heights. So the younger youth, them have to love it, brethren. Them have to love it, because once you go and do the hard work, you know, the hard work is there in the pavement, you know. Them say the concrete crack, hard work is there and people have to love the hard work, man. Man. The work shall prevail, yeah.
Well, Shabba, with all the hard work that you've done throughout the years, it's going right there. It's written and said, Saturday, December 14th, New Jersey is waiting. Me, I gotta tell you this. My boss, every year we have this conversation. G City, Shabba. And G finally said this year, him say, after I listen to him, Joel Osteen, him say, yo, Banky, good things come to those who wait.
Yeah, those who wait.
And December 14th.
Pluck out the low chain in them and pluck out the feather chain in them and pluck out the mula. You see me a deal, because what? Everybody get a chance in a life, you know, 35 leaves in the book. You see me a deal, then if him go sub up and run and reach a 34, then where am I going to do now? I'm going to turn a 35, mula, feather chini, low chini. Welcome to it, man. You see me a deal, because you can go sub up and circle the world, but you see if you don't land at Ethiopia, you know they know it. So right now him go sub up and circle the world, and at Ethiopia him stop. Where am I going to go? Land in a Selassie Palace, brethren, yeah.
Well, like over there, Shabba, listen to me. December 14th, I'm going to give you the microphone. I want you to get Jersey. Look. Matter of fact, get the whole world, because this is a worldwide thing right now. Get them a worldwide thing. RoadblockRadio.com, 90.1 FM, New Jersey. Tune in up, Roadblock Radio FM. I want you to give them a look of peace of what them can expect. December the 14th in Robert Street Hotel.
Shabba, him there, but tell him mommy, name Shabba, tell him mommy. All right, Shabba, him there. Anything them bring Shabba Bronx ready for. They say, hey, drop a bomb #1. All right, this is me moving the video. See me playing rig. Girls every day. From like, y'all you good. Y'all, hold on a little bit now, man. Hold on. Say my name, brand new. Say my name a little louder. Hello, my name, me can rip up the crowd, yeah. Say my name if I'm me, uno prouder. Say 3 times, Shabba. Hey. Say my name a little louder. Hello, my name, jump to my name, ball out my name, call out my name. Now stop until it reach all and fame. Them say them bad, but them and Shabba know the same. Listen. Maybe the pill for them pain, the blood for them vein. I don't want to hear how much lyrics your brain contain. If you mess around and leave your mentally drained, can't treat a broken heart like sprain. I mean them in need, real crowd placer, to non-believer, he ain't a believer. Me no rocking but follow the leader. Leader! Shabba! Yeah, I'm just tell you if I sweat to my waistline, I want to know, say, a big sit now go on, December 14, Robert Street, yes, come for a treat, yes, girls, come to get your back rubbed and the scratching of your feet at Robert Street. Yes, we will be there. Barrington Levy, Shabba Ranks. You don't know it got be Levy. Big brother and thing. We in there. Boom. December 14. Make that a date. Don't be late. Straight.
People, yeah, hear me. Definitely. Sounds of Greatness. The first annual. And we couldn't start our Sounds of Greatness without the Empire himself.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you for that.
We could not start Sounds of Greatness at the first concert series for Sounds of Greatness, and it would not be a Sounds of Greatness without the Emperor start it off.
Saturday, December 14th, Sounds of Greatness Concert Series proudly presents live in concert two-time Grammy Award reggae artist Shabba Ranks.
I am bad, mad, and no wicked in the middle. Wicked, bad, and
Shabba Ranks.
kill me dead.
Alongside Lovers Rock great Mr. Barrington Levi. With sounds by and Billy Slaughter.
Mama, Stone a murderer.
Becky Hype and Massive B.
Doors open up at 9 p.m. with the showtime at 10 p.m. Sounds of Greatness. Saturday, December 14th at the Robert Treat Grand Ballroom, 50 Park Place, Newark, New Jersey. Limited advance tickets $59.99 and VIP tickets available. VIP includes complimentary buffet and a bottle of champagne. Get your tickets now at roadblockradio.com or soundsofgreatness.com. Ticket delivery 973-573-8154. Sounds of Greatness. Live in concert, Shabba Ranks.
Girls, say my name a little louder. All up me name, make a rip up the crowd. Say 3 times if I me on the crowd. Shabba, shabba, shabba. Oh man.